called Woody's World. Never seen it, never played it. And it does have a score already of 6,210. And we are going to try to beat that. Naturally. So let's see what Woody's World is. Interesting artwork. Do we need a blank plus? Yeah, a blank plus is needed here. Okay, let's check out Woody's World. Press fire to start. Let's do that. The music already very nice. Good job on that part. Okay, Steam Castle. Nice music. A really nice music. It is a bit of a. It has a bit of a Sega flavor. Steam Castle area one. Okay. Aha. Okay, we just entered a door. And I guess we just got a lot of coins. Let's check if the game has jump on their head. Yeah, it does have that. I have a feeling, by the way, judging on this part here. Okay, no, it was just a feeling. Since we can go up here, a feeling we want to check out everything down here first. Do we? Or do we have to continue this way anyways? Because I think this here is commitment if we go... No? No? Then let's go. Game always wants to check out stuff, I guess. Okay. A bit of a Mario flavor. Ah. Interesting. And another hidden exit. The level design is interesting. Oh. Okay. What good does this do us? Being green guy now? Okay. Steam Castle area complete. Chest found. Coin bonus. Nice. Good points. On we go. It's a game about platforming and finding stuff. Oh. That was not the jump that we wanted. Oh, wait, you see that? I think that is well hidden. Here we just got a star. For whatever it will do, it does. Bit of a bait. No, that's not what we wanted. But then again, I just guess we roll with it. Because we have some way back up here. Should be the same thing. Alternatively. Yeah, seems to be. Nice. Okay, some coins to the right. Let's back pedal first. Because we reached a new area here. There we go. Yep. Oh, there was a hidden one. Okay. Okay, we want to check out the hidden on the left first. And in there. There we go. Interesting game. Ha, again, something like that, okay. I like the fact that we have some kind of crouch slide. I'm not sure if it's an attack though. Ah, come on. Can we get back up there? The only thing about the game is the controls are a little bit iffy. But they're good nevertheless. Oh, and we see that the one up was really weird to collect. That's fine. Oh, no! We just let another one up go because we thought... well, it's okay. This game. Okay. And now we can take the path to the right, which you haven't taken yet. There you see we can drop also to get some coins and hearts. So naturally... Give me that crown. Whatever. Okay. I guess that's HP then? Oh no. We can laser them now with stars. That's kind of cool. Would he bagging? Would he jumping? Okay. Next level done. Oh, it says perfect. That is good. And we almost broke the OG record. Oh, this looks like a boss arena, but is none. Aha, but we see already here, there are elements which tell us we will be able to either get back here, or there's something hidden here. I guess just that way, if we see a little bit of a girder there. Okay, no pickups, it's okay. It seems like we want to go to the right first of all. Or we get back down here. Hard to tell. But the graphical style reminds me a lot of... help me out. What's its name? Naughty Ones. No, I don't trust this. Let's take this here. I have a feeling that we will find a lot of interesting things in this map here. Aha! So that is Cake's kind of game. A lot of secret stuff to find. Oh wait, if we can't reach those... Oh no, okay, I thought this must mean... But maybe this is just a little bit... Ah, if we haven't consumed those hearts, then it would have worked. That's fair. Hidden stuff. That is Cake's ante. Is that the same escape? I think it is, right? Maybe we should check out the left then. There we go. Okay, we cannot jump on this as well. We don't get it because we got a crown already, I guess. Is that it? Hidden platforms here? No. Game won't let us down here as well. Maybe we should try this one now. Well, we've been here already. But it seems that maybe there might be some way to get over there. Well, that was a bit difficult to navigate. We don't want to jump into the spikes. Also, always important to take into account. Oh wait, maybe we can go back in and get the other start this time around? Let's see. No, we can't. That would have been too good of a thing. See? Game won't even let us touch it again. Fair though, fair though. Okay. This leads back down. So... we gotta find another way to get something out of it. This here. Ah. Looked like a very weird place already. There we go, nice. That's cool. What will be? Oh, ooh, that was way closer than needed to be. We don't know what the star does, but we take it. Oh, we got a crown. Now we need it. Actually, practical use of the crown here. Before we enter there, maybe let's check out the rest of the area. Yeah. Guess there was a good call then. Okay, let's go in there. It has my face on it. What could go wrong? It seems like a boss fight or bonus level. Throne room. Seems like this Mario Bowser thing where we'll have to face something now. Or will we? I mean, the game lets us continue on, so of course we're gonna do that. Aha! We got one of the major hearts, whatever that does. Means we can go to the right. Check out the right and descend forward, going from the right. So let's do that. Also, I hope you guys are very excited for the future of StreamStack, because news is on the street that we're going to have something going on for the native stackers to vote on very soon. And beyond that part, you know, it's getting along pretty well. The boys are spending a lot of time on it. So Manson and Nico, and who would have thought? Of course they are working always on it. So this is going to be very nice and something to look forward to, guys. If you haven't checked out the beta lately, you know what to do. Check it out. Give it a shot. It's still for free. It's a beta. Oh, what? He had a plug on his head. Arlo, drank. Yes, I drank. The beta is still for free. You don't have to subscribe, but it's really worth doing it. So in case you haven't already checked it out, I'm gonna put it in chat. So if you're watching the VOD, you can see anything. It's www.streamstack.tv. Check it out if you haven't. Okay. That was our little advertisement break. Now for Woody's World. Let's navigate towards the end maybe of the level and see what else it has in store for us. Oh, okay, that was lucky. Ah, we take it. It was just one HP trade, but time is running low. So also an interesting room here, that there's no platform. There's nowhere to be found a platform that will take us to our goal, but hey, that was worth it. Oh, another throne room. We take it. 154, maybe a second heart. Throne room. Let's go. I'm now a seasoned throne room veteran. Hey. Wait, does that mean we can go to both sides? Okay, no, that was just a little mapping flags, if you will. You know what? Those little coins, in contrast of the time limit, we're gonna leave behind. I'm sorry. Okay, we got 2 of 3 hearts. I'm very interested to see if this will have any... if it will make any difference. Yes, sir. Yeah, and that's where we could have gone. 2 out of 3 hearts, we take it. It's not a perfect level, but it's good enough. Okay. Continue on. I really wonder if there's gonna be boss fights or if you're just going to the next world straight up. Bonus round, okay. Let's check that out. Aha. Yes. What? Oh. I guess we get 2 rounds per heart. You can go through the level again. Or is it just a different area now? I think it's a different area. Ah. And oh, nice. Okay. We get some extra points and that's always nice. Stepping stones? Oh, we gotta go stepping stones. We have no option. Oh, or outside. Or stepping stones or outside. Maybe the stepping stones to controls here. This maybe. I like that the loading times are that fast that you hardly hear the music. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. We're not allowed to touch these. That's fine with me. Just would have enjoyed knowing that as a fact before I approached it. And we lost a life there because of that lack of knowledge. Oh, okay. If it's close, we're allowed to touch it then. Oh, okay. So if you're trying to cut corners here, you die instantly. I see. Oh. And when those shells fall on your head, you lose life as well. I guess they don't want to be jumped on the head. Okay, but we got a hidden one up. We take it. We need it, by the way, so... Chest found 0%. Yeah, I'm not in the mood of finding chests when I'm being sniped by muscles. Yeah. Woody's World so far is a pretty good game, actually. It has a bit of the typical wonky, you know, controls. And I think, oh, that's fine for the most part. That's enough. Very good. Very good. But the graphics are really nice, and this is OCS most importantly. Okay, yeah, we take the hidden one. Boom. We just leave. We don't take chests anymore. We just try to see how far we can go so we can see a bit of the game. Okay, nothing hidden here as well. Okay, but since we... okay, haha. Fair enough. Hmm. Oh, that's actually the exit. Then again, that's fine by me. We get 4 lives. Enough to see more of the game. But without chests, of course, we're missing out a lot on bonus. Okay, see, now we can go to the cave. But these are only like these little part levels that connect you to the next big area, it seems. Nice Sega loading music and gone. Okay. Oh, yeah. Didn't see the second cannon there. Yes. Hidden passage, let's go. But the game tries to reinvent itself over and over, which I think is a bit funny. That the music is never the same. What? Are we supposed to use the bubbles as platforms here? If they spawn with the same timing, wait, maybe if I do it like this, can we offset them? Yeah, this way we can offset them. Bruh. That's a bit of an oversight. Okay, and controls are oily slidey now. Fun. I think that's it. 72k 800 for Woody's World. Nice, good score. 72 800. We take it. It's a very good population score. Woody's World was fun. Nothing to be said that would give the game a bad rep. 11th December, Woody's World. There we go. Has no scoreboard.